Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
What is up, guys? It's the homie Bigg Vic, and we are back in the building once again with another video. And today I'm checking out the signature R&B plugin. Now, let me say this. Some of you might be saying, is this just another VST that somebody created and just threw sounds in it? I'm gonna say no. Definitively no, simply because this plugin has a lot of features on it. Yes, there's some similar features to other VST plugins, but this one I feel is perfect for trap soul production, straight up R&B 90s type feel production. If you want to create, if you're looking for go-to instruments that are already crafted for you to create that buttermilky smooth R&B music production, trap soul, all that whole genre. So anything related to sounding beautiful, I'm going to say this plugin is definitely that plugin. So I'm just really getting familiar with this plugin, signature R&B plugin. I just happened to be browsing on YouTube. It popped up. I said, oh, I think I can use that right there. So I'm just going to show you guys this plugin really quickly and let you hear what I was able to craft and create with it. As you can see, looking at this plugin, you see that there is a lot of knobs on here. It's a lot of things that you can do with the instruments. So it comes with your instruments, of course, your bass, your bells, your keys, your leads, pads, plucks, strings. And let's just go through a few of these. 808s. And as you can see up here, you got your legato, glide, solo. So you already can slide your 808s and do all that good stuff that, you know, you guys love to do inside of any other DAW. You can do it within this plugin. All right, you got 808 presence. Of course, you can turn up here your legatos, glide, slide. Do as much slide as you want to do. So you can still do your UK drill type 808 slides and all that good stuff using this signature R&B plugin, right? So got a ton of 808s in here, man. Nice bass sounds. Even that that bass that is even has the bass in here, that sound that most people were looking for when when Drake came around and 40 was using that nice bass that you would hear on a lot of Drake tracks. It even has that in here. So you got a nice quality basses, nice quantity amount of basses in here. And that's the one. So even in there, you still can come and add your saturation to the bass. It's a lot you can do. You add your phase, frequencies, feedback. Come over here. Here's your EQ. So you can literally craft each instrument to sound like you need it to sound for your production, which I think is a big plus for this plugin right here. Of course, you have your filters. Movement. How dope is that? You fade in time. Your attack over here. speed. Has it by the notes over here. That's dope. So there's a lot that you can do to every single instrument. Come over here and you can degrade, crush it, harmonics, sample rate, filter. So you can literally come in here and do what you want, manipulate every single instrument that you pull up in the signature R&B plugin and make it sound like you need it to sound for whatever type of track that you're making. Trap soul, R&B, trap beats, whatever you want to create, hip hop. You can do what you need to do with these. I mean, within the plugin without having to go and add more plugins, more effects units to every sound that you pull up. I think it's dope. All right. And your chorus down here. If you want to add chorus to your bass, it's up to you. So let's go through, let you hear a few more basses. If I talk about it on the channel, y'all, just quick, just so you know, if I talk about it on the channel, I felt like it was worth showing you guys, for those of you guys that don't know about it, because we still have producers that are new getting into music production and don't know about some of these plugins. Some of you guys may already be familiar with this. I never knew about it, so I'm sure if I didn't know about it, there's a lot of other producers that did not know about this plugin. So don't be like, yo, that's an old plugin, man. I already know about that, Bigg Vic. It's cool. Just thumbs the video up, listen to the beat after I demo some of the sounds, and let's keep it moving. All right, basses. All right, so let's go to bells. Let me bring the volume down a little bit. Dope. Nice. All right, so you got a good bit of bells in there. Let's check out some keys. Nice. So you got a good bit of keys in here. Nice keys. Quality. I mean, these are quality instruments. Quality sounds, y'all. That's why it's called signature R&B, because the sounds are lush and lovely, and they're ready for that genre of music. So like, whenever you're cooking up one of those, come grab this plug-in, period. Lovely. You got your toy keys. All right, so let's check out some leads. All right. So you got a good bit of leads in here that you can choose from. Pads. One of my favorite sections is always pads. Y'all know that. I love pads. Lovely. All right. Okay. Imagine combining that with like scalar and pulling your MIDI chords onto that particular instrument. Lovely. All right, so you got a good bit of pads in here, as you can see. Your plucks. R&B trap soul radio. But don't forget, you can take that instrument and manipulate it in here. Like, do what you want to do with it. Make it sound like you needed the sound for your track. With so many, variations in here. Saturation, phase, you name it. You can do it to it. All within the plugin. That's what I really like about it. And of course, your strings. And they will be updating the software with like more instruments. They're constantly updating the software. I mean, this VST, so it's gonna grow. It'll be able to grow with you. I love that. All right, so then you got your live chops. So you got some guitars in here. How you like that? So you got some chops you can put in there straight up in here, some sample chops. Imagine what you can do with that. All right, then you got your sound effects. Nice selection. Synth effects. And then you have your vocal chops as an instrument. Then you got your actual chops. So all in all, you got you a full arsenal of R&B signature sounds that you can use for your trap soul production, for your regular R&B, 90s style production, or even right now, like 2000s. We're in 2020, about to be 2021. You got sounds for that right now. So what I did was I used every instrument to create this particular track, let you guys see what it sounds like in action with the Bigg Vic production behind it. So let's check it out. I laid down a quick chorus for it so you guys can hear it. And yes, I did use that free Velaco auto-tune plugin for this track. So let's check it out. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section.
Tired of playing games, let me know.
So I just went in here. I heard the sounds, y'all. I had to go in. I had to get busy. The minute I heard the instruments coming through my monitors over here, I said, "Oh yeah, I'm getting straight to work with this one." So I created this track for you guys so that I can demo the instruments, let you guys hear what it sounds like in action. If you don't already have this plugin, what I'm going to do is drop the plugin down below, and I may even reach out to these guys and see if we can do some type of giveaway. Maybe giveaway, run some type of contest really quickly, and give a free one away. We'll see what we can do. We'll see what type of juice I can, maybe I got a little juice. I may be able to pull some strings and see what I could do for you guys. See if we can do one giveaway of this plugin. All right, drop a comment, thumbs this up. It's your man Bigg Vic. Y'all know what I say. Always hustle, never stop growing until I drop the next video. Holla at your mans, all right? Peace.